Welcome to English 101, brought to you by Turban Riders, the leader in helmet technology. Today's lesson is, what is an adjective?
Let's see what it does. Oh man! See how easy it is to flick around? Oh man, yeah. Woohoo! Nice.
Американская фирма Transceptor Technology приступила к производству компьютеров «Персональный спутник».
So, what makes a bike a great bike? Let's put it in perspective, shall we? Is it the brand? Oo, China yan, pero mag-Wikipedia ka muna. Is it the reliability? Ayan o, ebidensya o. How about the specs? Post mo na lang pare. Mahaba eh. How about the fuel consumption? Well, nakagets ako ng 20 kpl. So, di na masama. Kasi, 650 yan. Not bad, diba? Or is it about the power? Ito. Ito pa, oh. Saka ito pa, oh. Maybe it's about the handling. Ito ebidensya, oh. Pinangkamote ko dun sa Sierra Madre. Ang daming kamoteng pumanik dun. Di pinagsisiba ko sila. Perhaps it's about the looks. Well, if Leonidas had a big bike, this would be it. It looks crude, heavy, big, solid. Parang blacksmith ang gumawa at pinagpupupukpok niya hanggang mabuo. Or perhaps it's about the way it makes you feel. Di ba yun ang pinaka-importante? Kasi ikaw naman gagamit niyan. Since I started riding this bike around, I really could not say anything bad about it. I tried, but I couldn't find fault in it. It really is just a great bike. It's too bad not a lot of people know about it. I did not even know about it until I rode one. And I'm sure the privileged few that ever tried it would feel exactly the way I feel right now. It is the most underrated bike you'll ever see on the market, or if you can even see one riding on the street. I know it's overshadowed by big names and popular belief, but this thing is such a rare gem. I have to give it its due, because for me, this is a legend that everyone should know about.